Welcome to Lesson 2 on subtracting polynomials. We'll begin by subtracting polynomials using algebra tiles. And to do this, we just need to take away the correct amount of tiles. And if there's not enough tiles to take away from, then we add 0 pairs. So example 1 wants us to simplify 5d minus 1, subtract 3d plus 2. So we'll start by representing 5d minus 1. So here we have 5d tiles. We'll shade them in because they're all positive. We have a negative 1 tile. And then from that we need to subtract 3d's and 2 positives. And when we look at these tiles in which we need to subtract from, I see that I do have 3d's that I'm able to take away from this pile, but I don't have 2 positives. I only have 1 negative. So this is where we need to add 0 pairs. So make a note of that here on the side, that we don't have 2 positives to take away. So add 2 0 pairs. So we'll write down our 5d's again. Negative 1. Then we'll add our 0 pair. So I add a positive 1 tile and a negative 1 tile, and another positive 1 tile and a negative 1 tile. So by adding 0 pairs, we're not actually changing the expression at all. And from that, again, I'm subtracting my 3d's and my 2 positives. So now let's subtract a d, another d, another one, and subtract the 2 positive tiles. So now that leaves us with 2 positive d tiles and 3 negative 1s, which we write as 2d minus 3. We'll do that again now for example 2. So here we have 2x squareds, which are positive, 2 x's, which are negative, and a positive 1 tile. And from that I need to subtract 3 positive x squared tiles, a negative x tile, and 3 positive 1s. Now looking at these tiles here, I see that I only have 2x squareds and I'm supposed to take away 3x squareds. So I'm going to have to add 1 0 pair. Here I need to take away a negative x, which I have, so I don't need to add any 0 pairs there. But here I need to take away 3 positives, and I only have 1 positive. So I'm going to have to add 2 0 pairs. So let's rewrite this now. Here's my 2 positive x squareds, and then my 0 pair, which is a positive x squared and a negative x squared. And I got my 2 negative x's. I got my 1 positive 1, but I needed to add 2 0 pairs. So now I have enough tiles that I can take away my 3x squareds now my negative x, and my positive 3. So let's cross off an x squared, another x squared, and another x squared. We can cross off negative x, and we can cross off our 3 positives. So now, write down what we have left. We have a negative x squared, a negative x, and 2 negatives, which we write as negative x squared minus x minus 2.